I was sent these LED fence solar lights to try out, and I have to say I'm very impressed with them. In the box comes the instructions, the lights themselves, which there are 10 of, pieces of double-sided tape for you to just stick them to your fence if that's what you prefer, or there are these anchors in screws, which is what I'm going to be using today. And I thought this was super helpful. They included a little guide so that you can know exactly where to put your screws and that it would hang nice and level every single time. We will be installing the lights on this privacy fence in this backyard. We started by using the little guides to make pencil marks on the fence where the screws needed to go. Then we pre-drilled the holes to make installing the screws a lot easier. So we just screwed those in, not too tight to the fence, just away just that little bit so that you could hook the light right over the screws. And then this is what they look like when it was all installed. We charged them in the sunlight all day, and then there's a little button in the back that you switch on before you put the light on the fence. And then this is what they look like at night. They really lit up this backyard nicely. We are super impressed and happy with the quality of these lights.